This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel. I just wanted to show y'all what is on my sliding glass door. Now, I never use this door. I use the kitchen door. But, and this spider, which I don't really know what kind of spider it is, but this spider has been here for a good month. Well, sometime last night, because we were just over here talking about it yesterday, and sometime last night, this spider made that, I guess it's an egg sac, and right there, that's the only thing I can figure in. Let me see, let me get it back. I guess it's an egg sac, but the spider has been in, it was, well, it was pulled over, the web was pulled over across the window, and it's been in the same place for over a month. And I just call it my pet spider or whatever, but Regina just told me that sack right there is full of babies, and that if I don't get rid of the sack, I'm going to have 1 million babies. But gosh, I feel guilty doing that. But here's all the bugs. Let me show you. The moths that are around it. And then there's, what? Grasshoppers. And a green stink bug, which I've never seen before. And another, somewhere, let me find it. Oh, another bug, and another, where's it at? Moth. And then up here, let me find it. Oh, right over the light. Well, where's the light? Right up over the light. Is it not showing up? Alright, hold on. I gotta zoom out and find it, and then zoom back in. Alright, there it is. Right there. There's another egg sac. And what I can't understand is I thought they did these in the spring. Why are these now coming out in the fall where they're all gonna die in the winter? But that one, I guess it's the same spider. I don't know. Anyway, this is definitely weird. If any of you know what kind of spider this is, the exact name, I don't think it's poisonous, but it sure is big. It is huge. Oh, okay. I'm sorry, I hit the button. My grandson said it's called a banana spider. So, anyway, I'll keep you updated on the spider situation here. What we decide to do, whether we decide to, well, it's moving fast now. Watch, Caden.
John, look if there's flowers on it.
Alright, let's see. It's outside. It's not in my house, thank goodness. But anyway, there it goes. It's building the nest back. I mean the web back. Because I guess it got torn down last night because of the winds. We've had some, well, they're not really high, but we're in Roanoke, Virginia area, and we're going to supposedly feel the effects of Hurricane Florence over the next few days, and these winds that we're having is from that. And I just wanted to show you this, and like I said, I'll keep you informed on the spider situation All right, talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye.